US index this week has fallen in value, and we can see that the price has gone all the way from 105 up to 104, a support level. Then on Friday the price has formed this strong bullish candle where the price has overtook all the candles before that and reached the resistance level at 105, which is a great strength from the bulls. A weekly time frame shows us after the price has formed these small candles with a small body. This week the price formed a large wick on the lower side and formed this bullish candle that has closed above these two open and closed price levels of the previous 2 weeks, which is a great information for the bulls, which means the price has found strength to push the price above and reaching the first resistance level at 105 as a round number. Monthly time frame shows us currently a small bullish candle, but the month has just started. We'll see how the month closes in the next 3 weeks. For that, we will need to watch lower time frames. But currently, the very important level is 104 on the monthly time frame that needs to hold. If the price goes down, the support fails, this will be indication for the further decline down where the price could reach first of all this one 103.52. below that is 102.88, round number as a 103. Will not go below that until the price forms this bearish breakout, but currently this is very important for the bulls. In order to continue to rise in value, the price needs to go above 105 level. This will be much more clean information on the lower time frame, and after that where the price could stop is reaching this area around 105.80, very close to 106 as a round number, and above that we can see very important levels is 106.70 and also 106 around 50. We can see that this one here is 105, a very important level as a resistance, and after that the price needs to go above 105.64, which will be a very important level for the price. Now we can see on the lower time frame, which is a daily, this will be a very important level for the price that needs to be broken in order for the price to continue to rise in value. I will fix this one a little bit up because this one is not at a very good position. Just a minute. Where it is? Oh, here it is. Okay, let's move this one up because this should be like this on the daily time frame, because this will be a resistance 106.38 that the price needs to break in order to continue to rise in value. But before that happens, we can see that the price is currently in the downtrend, which means the price needs to make a clean breakout outside of this downtrend in order to continue to rise in value. When the price makes a clean breakout to the upper side, this will be also a very important resistance level for the price that needs to be broken in order to rise in value. We can see in the last 2 attempts, this was here, the bullish breakout, the next candle was a bearish that has took the price down, the next bullish breakout trying, the next candle has took the price even more down. So this is a very important information that the last 2 attempts for the price to make a bullish breakout was failed. So we'll see will the third attempt next week will be successful or not. This is something that needs to be watched, but currently the price is moving sideways between this resistance and this support level and needs to make a clean breakout to see where the price will go in the future. We can see if the bullish breakout happens here, the next target will be right here where this start of this supply zone next to resistance is, and after that we'll see will the price manage to return back on the higher price levels. This is all for this week. See you next time and happy trading. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.